Hi everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I'm back with another video for you guys. I want to start off by saying I'm very sorry that I have not uploaded any videos recently, but my family has been so sick during these holidays. Between flus and colds and bacterial infections and pink eyes, you name it, my family has had it. So we've just kind of all been down, and as you can see, I'm still a little stuffy. I am not 100% yet, but I wanted to bring you guys another little DIY video that'll get you guys motivated for the rest of winter. Now that everyone is taking down their Christmas decor, since the 25th is come and gone, you know, you still want to decorate for the winter season. That's totally fine. It doesn't have to be all Christmassy. And in this video, I am going to be bringing two projects that you can do that will last all winter long and not have that Christmas feel to them. Now they're going to be coming at you from the Dollar Tree. The main mediums are going to be or products that I'll be using is from Dollar Tree. The other stuff is from your local craft stores that you can find right now, and it's probably a good time to get them because they're all going to be on sale. Now, with that said, make sure you subscribe below so that you can get more videos like this, and hit the like button so that I know that you enjoyed it. Now let's get started on that tutorial. Now the first one we're going to do is that faux whitewashed wood centerpiece. You're going to need foam board from the Dollar Tree and also contact paper in the wood grain. Now, if you want to use it for a floral piece where you're going to put flowers in it, you're going to need foam board as well. But I basically just cut the foam board, measured the foam, floral foam, and cut it to it so it could fit on the outside. I got one inside and two side tabs that I hot glued together, making sure that the bottom is on the inside and the outside pieces are on the outside like you see there. And as you can see, the foam fits right inside. I cut my box 4 inches in height and 3 floral foam forms in length. So one contact paper will actually go around the entire piece. So I just cut it the entire length so I can have one piece to wrap around the entire box. That way I don't have a ton of seams everywhere. Now, then I just basically peeled it and wrapped the box in its entire way all the way around, smoothing it as I went. Then basically I just cut the corners and started folding the contact paper in. Then I just took some acrylic paint that I had on hand and a small foam brush and started spreading out the paint across the box, following the wood grain in long strokes, and just kept working that small bit amount of paint out until it looked like it was weathered wood. And then just basically allow it to dry before you start adding your arrangements or using it whichever way you'd like. And then I just basically used a bush, or 3 bushes actually, in order to fill this up from Michael's. And I like it that it's not really that Christmassy. Yeah, there's a few poinsettias in there, but they're white, and all the other flowers can really be used all winter long because they're nice roses and pink colors. So I think this actually makes for a very good winter arrangement. And there you have it. There you have your faux whitewashed wooden centerpiece. And this is great because some people, you know, don't really like to work with wood or don't have the tools to work with wood. And some people don't have the space to carry the tools to do this themselves, or don't want to spend the money to actually have a big wooden box on their table. So this is a great alternative for those who want just an inexpensive alternative. And the great thing is that you can take these flowers out and use it for any other occasion. You know, Valentine's, you can change it up and put red flowers in it. You can dress it up for the spring or summer. It's very versatile, and unless you actually go up really close to it, most people can't even tell it's not real wood when they come over our house. So I absolutely love this, and I hope you do too. Now for the next arrangement, we're going to do these really pretty candle holders that have snowflakes on them. A lot of places have snow throughout this time. So I took some glass vases from the Dollar Tree, some ribbon, as well, a washi tape that you can get from either Dollar Tree or your local Hobby Lobby, and these little decals that you either put on your wall or on your windows for winter. Again, I got these at Hobby Lobby as well, and basically you just adhere them to the glass. Super simple. And if you want them to be permanent, you can actually glue them on with E6000. Now you just have to press down a little bit on them because these are a little stiff, but as you can see, after a while they do stay on. And then you just get that, you can get ribbon or washi tape and just basically wrap it around the bottom. And if you want extra height, you can add the smaller stem candle holders that are also glass at Dollar Tree and give these a little bit of height. Now I absolutely love how these turned out, and they actually were featured in several crafting sites, so I'm a little proud of these little creations right here. Now you can take this concept and make it for any occasion or any holiday. Yeah, Valentine's, St. Patrick's, 4th of July. Wall decals are made for so many different things nowadays that you really have so many options available out there. So there are tons of possibilities to make beautiful candle holders for any occasion. I really do hope you enjoyed those two projects. The faux wood planter box for the centerpiece, you can make it smaller. It doesn't necessarily have to be a really long one like I did for the center of my table. You can make it more square, you can make it taller, you can adjust it to whatever you need, and that's the great thing about that one. And it's only going to cost you $2 for that base. As far as the candle holders, that's another thing. You can make them as tall or as, larger as you wish. You can get bigger bases for that. They're super wintry, super chic because they're very elegant, and again, they're really inexpensive. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you like this, and I hope to see you soon with more tutorials like this. Now, here I go to take more medicine. Bye.